Hello and good morning, because right now it's 8:20 a.m. in Kuala Lumpur and I feel very recovered after like 2 days being sick on the bed. So today I just want to do some makeup. If you are new to my channel, welcome. This is Kikiqabuki. But if you have been watching my YouTube channel, welcome back. Today's inspiration is gonna be from ta-da! Dior makeup. So we're gonna do Dior inspired look, although we're not using entirely makeup, I mean like Dior products. Nail it. Okay, we're gonna nail it. So let's just start. So I'm done with my base. Now we're gonna go in with this Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. So it claims that it is waterproof, sweat resistant, and it's a custom built foundation with natural glow finish. My shade is 3W. But this is the bottle. This is how it looks like. It's made in France and then it's 50 ml. Like, wow, 50 ml. You guys know that my favorite foundation by far is the Shuemura, and this is only 35 ml for the price of 180 or 163 ringgit, I forgot. This one, 50 ml for the price of 155 ringgit. So yeah, that's actually a deal, a bargain, because you get more products in a bottle. The bottle wise, right, it's okay, I would say, because it's not as heavy as this. Okay, I would still prefer this because it's small and it's square, but yeah, they're about the same height. But this one, to me, somehow it looks like a capsule, right? So it's easy to go in your bag. It's plastic, it's not glass, so it's not heavy, it's very light. So yeah, for a price of 155, I think this one is okay. It says here that to shake it first before you wear it. This is kind of a bummer because you can see that there's like a little bit of products coming out when I shake it. So let's dig in with this 3W. So I got my Real Technique brush. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the center of my face. Let's just try half of the face first so you can see the difference. It smells nice, by the way. It doesn't smell chemically. It smells really nice. So yeah, this is the first layer. As you can see, it's one shade brighter than my actual skin tone, but it's there. It's the same. I mean, like it's acceptable. Okay, this is my real skin. A little bit brown. This is the foundation. Yeah, this is the first layer and it looks nude. So if you have already a flawless skin and you apply this, you're gonna have amazing skin, I would say, because the foundation, what I could tell you is that the foundation is not sticky. Look, it's not sticky. It sinks to your skin immediately, but it doesn't provide much coverage on the first layer. So let's just do the second, the other face. So this is the whole face, how it looks like, and as you can see, I still cannot cover my pimples. Under eye still seen. I'm gonna mix this with go-to concealer, the very pekat one. This is LT Pro. I use a little bit and then I mix them. After that, I'll dab it on the problematic areas. Alright, so that's it for the foundation. As you can see, this looks like my second skin. It's very light and it's not sticky. I quite like it. It's not as matte as Estee Lauder either. So this is just nice. It's in between of Shuemura and Estee Lauder, I guess. So let's just move on to the next step. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. For eyebrows, I've cleaned my eyebrows, I've shaved it. So if you're interested in how I create these eyebrows, you can check my previous video. The so-called Dior Backstage kind of eyebrow, it's basically just a very effortless eyebrows. They are almost natural, so we don't have to shape it, overly shaping it. What I do is I will stroke. Yeah, that's it. Like, the key to perfect eyebrows is always start from the end, the tail, okay? Because that's all you need, guys. See, like, it really creates a difference from what was my eyebrow look like just now. So I just added the tail and that's it. Okay, for the eyes, I'm gonna be using Kat Von D Saint and Sinner eyeshadow palette. Thank you, Dita, because I'm borrowing it from her. I think nowadays, right, it's actually a good idea. Like, among of you beauty junkies, right, you should just, you know, swap your products so that you get to, you know, you basically both of you, or like a lot of you, benefit from this. Like, you just need to buy products, and then the other one will buy another product, another kind of product, and then once you will all finish, swap, you know, and then after that, you know, return. Done. You get to, you know, try and test the product, but you know, it doesn't hurt your pocket. So this is with the help of Dita, right? She lent me the Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette. Thank you. I'm gonna use Martyr for the base of my eyes and tarik a bit, you know, like tarik a bit up. Don't forget under the eyes, I'm still using the same brush because it's just gonna be a simple backstage kind of like runway makeup look. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics palette. I'm gonna use the shade of Pregame, this one. I'm gonna go with the Lookout from the same palette. So what I'm doing here is I'm creating a wing eyeliner. Take your time, guys, when you do your eyeshadow. You have to be, you know, quick and all. And then mascara. I'm using Wycon Step by Step. This is my second favorite after the Benefit Bad Girl Bang. So I've done my eyebrows and eyes as well, just a simple one. Okay, now I am judging the foundation. It's been hard. I didn't turn on my aircon. I didn't put any powder on this foundation, but look. Yeah, kind of sweat-proof. It doesn't move around, and my under eye creasing is not that many. If you can see, like, they are just fine even without the powder. It didn't create that kind of lines, you know, like usually I will get that with any other foundation. That's why, like, I love my Schuemura so much, and also these ones recently, because they don't create that kind of creases, which I hate. And yeah, this is good. So let's move on to the one that I've been waiting for to try. This is Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette. So they have 4 colors: white strobe, and then the gold strobe, and then this one is the blush, and this one is the bronzer blush. I do feel like this color over here, if I put it on, it will not come out. So what I'll do, I'm gonna go with my favorite blusher. This is MAC Melba. I hope that you can see the blush, because I can see it on the mirror, but I don't know why the lighting is too much, I guess. I'm gonna go with probably the bronzer first. Let's go with the bronzing. Ooh. Yeah, runway makeup, they don't really contour like I don't know. If possible, right, they put less makeup, because at the end of the day the light will be shining on them and then the makeup will melt. So that's why for runway makeup, less is more. I use the blush. This blush. It's a tad bit. So pretty. Your shimmer, it's blinding. The particle, right? The, how to say, that thing the product itself, it's not that the particle is not that big, so it gives you a very subtle highlight, which I kind of like. Look, it's blinding, but just enough. There, just enough. And this one cost me about 188 ringgit. It's even more expensive than the, you know, the foundation, but yeah, for the sake of, you know, reviewing and giving you fresh contents every week, I have to fork out. So please do support me. Oh, look, it looks like glass skin. I'm gonna try to put it as my eyeshadow topper. Not bad. Whoa, it opened up my eyes. I'm gonna finish this whole look. I'm gonna do the lips off camera. Alright guys, so this is it, the final look using Dior Beauty. Okay, my swara is like coming back, okay. I'm actually having cough. My verdict is yes, you should go buy the foundation. But always remember to put primer or moisturizer with SPF beforehand, because this one doesn't have SPF. It melts to my skin, it's really good, but if you have textured skin, like a lot of bumps, I wouldn't recommend you go for this. This one will not cover so much of your texture, as you can see. Yes, the texture of my pimple is still there, but if you don't mind with texture, go ahead, because this one, it really feels like it's its second skin. It's my second favorite after my Shuemura. Now, as for the highlighting palette, it's beautiful, but I think this one is suitable for fair to medium skin tone. You know, I look medium over here because of the lighting, but actually in real life, I'm very tan. So yeah, this one doesn't really works for me. I wouldn't, if I were you, I wouldn't buy it because it's 188 ringgit. It does blend seamlessly. Look at that. It blends seamlessly, but however, again, if you have textured face, if you have pores, any highlighter will not be for you. You need to learn the technique on how to blur your pores first, then only you go for this one, okay? That's it for my review. So that is it. I hope you like this review and mini tutorial from me. Please do support me by thumbs up this video and then subscribe to my channel, and also click the ring bell button. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.